Welcome back. When you're done going through the system, you will have the skills necessary to write an essay. This is the skill that's required in elementary school, middle school, high school, and college. When you can do this, then you're well on your way to literacy. And the essay is comprised of an introduction, 3 paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each paragraph must have a topic sentence that we already discussed. When you can write 1 paragraph, you can write 3 paragraphs. Then when we teach you how to write the introduction and the conclusion, you can write an essay. It's a 5-body essay. When you have this skill, you will be an emergent writer and you will have the skills necessary to increase your academic stamina with this skill. And we're going to teach you this in the progressive writing system. So that's the system in its entirety. On the next video, we're going to show you how this is going to work, how you're going to follow it, and then how we're going to progress. See you in the next video.